We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, heated seats, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, remote vehicle start, heated rear seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.